Hello beautiful ladies and gentlemen, this is JJ from Budget Zero. Today we'll be continuing our long suspended series which is reviewing interesting items that I found on the internet. So today we have a floating globe that I bought for around $25 and it has been sitting at the corner of my room for around 2 months and I didn't have time to open it. So let's just quickly open it and see how it looks and how it works. Alright, you can see beside the box is how it looks like, how the product will eventually looks like, and I hope it is as beautiful and magical like this. I have no idea what is this. Wow, the LED in the middle looks kind of beautiful, not gonna lie. But let's try putting the ball, alright?
"12 seconds later."
Is it like this? Oh, maybe it's like this. Oh fuck! Oh shit! Okay, it's sticking out. Holy shit! Wait, it's working! Holy son of a... Okay, it is completely floating. No strings attached. Oh fuck. If you ever wonder how this levitating slash floating globe works, there is when you turn on the power or electricity, there is going to be an electromagnetic here. It's basically a magnet powered by electricity. The basic concept is that this magnetic strength is going to be just equal to the gravitational pull of this object, of this Earth object. At right this point, the gravitational pull is equal to the magnetic force. That's why it stays in the middle. It stays in that equilibrium point. But the main reason I bought this floating globe is to put an ant on top of it to see what it will do. You know how ants will, like when you put it on the stick or something, they were trying to find the edge of the stick or any tables or any objects so that it can go down back on the ground. So I was wondering, what if I put an ant on top of a floating object, which means there are no edge connected to it. So right now let's find an ant to put it on top of the globe. Let's go. Okay, here we are now in our backyard to find some ants, hopefully. And I think it should be quite easy, right? So let me just quickly find a stick first. And yeah, found the stick. Got our stick here. So let's just hunt down for some ants. Yeah, I found ants. Yeah, easy. Look at the ants. They're quite big as well. Yeah, look at that. Those ants. I'll just block their way. And hopefully they just climb up. Come on, just climb up, bitch. Climb it. Yes, 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 yes. I got one. The ant is on the globe. It's still crawling. Oh, it dropped. Okay, so that's the result. It just dropped. Okay, time to leave the ends out and go home. So the result is kinda disappointing, not gonna lie. I thought it will at least stay there for at least 24 hours, but looks like just after 2 minutes the ant went impatient and just fall from the globe. That's it just falls from the globe. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and find it interesting. Feel free to comment down below what interesting things I should do with this globe, and I'll see you in the next video. Budget Zero, peace out.